Morning gentlemen, today I am going to give information about foreign direct investment. It is the investment made by any individual or firm in one country into the businesses located in another country. FDI is different from foreign portfolio investment in which only stocks and bonds are purchased of a foreign company. Whereas in foreign direct investment, it can be acquiring or merging with existing foreign company or starting a joint venture partnership with a foreign company. In India, some foreign direct investment does not require RBI's or government's approval, even does not require the security clearance from Ministry of Home Affairs. But in some sensitive sectors like defense, media, telecommunication, then civil aviation, private security agencies, and mining, also the investments made by the countries like Pakistan and Bangladesh needs government and RBI's approval. For the easy clearance of foreign direct investment application, Indian government has launched a foreign investment facilitation portal administered under Ministry of Commerce and Industries. And foreign direct investment has been a major non-debt financial resource for the economic development of India. For the financial year 2021-2022, India has received the highest foreign direct investment of 84 billion US dollars, overtaking last year's foreign direct investment by 2.87 billion US dollars. And according to World Investment Report 2022, India ranks 7th among the top 20 economies with the highest foreign direct investment. The top 5 foreign direct investment sourcing nations are Singapore, USA, Mauritius, Netherlands, and Switzerland. The top 5 sectors in India are computer, hardware and software, service sectors like banking and insurance, automobile sector, trading and construction activities. The top 5 states and UTs which receive the foreign direct investment is Karnataka, Delhi, Maharashtra and Haryana and Tamil Nadu. Coming to conclusion, the initiatives and the campaigns like Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative and Make in India have increased the foreign direct investment inflows in the past few years. And for increasing the foreign direct investment for future, India needs to sustain the good trade policies. Thank you, gentlemen.